Today we are going to study organic chemistry of BSc Part 1. The topic is arenes and aromaticity. Arenes or aromatic hydrocarbons are the compounds of carbon and hydrogen which are related to benzene in structure. Monovalent aromatic hydrocarbon radical is known as aride group. Now we come to the nomenclature of aromatic organic compounds. Aromatic compounds have also been divided into different series because different functional groups are present on benzene ring. Nomenclature of some important series and their members are as follows. Monosubstituted aromatic hydrocarbon. Benzene is a parent aromatic hydrocarbon if substituent is present on benzene ring. Then it is known as substituted benzene or name of the substituent is written before benzene. Simplest alkyl benzene is methylbenzene, which is also known as toluene. The trivial names of some benzenes have been accepted in the IUPAC system. So if we see the examples of monosubstituted arenes, methylbenzene, ethylbenzene, and propylbenzene, isopropylbenzene, isobutylbenzene, and tert-butylbenzene. If complex side chain is present on benzene ring, then the name of the compound is written as phenylalkane. If more than one benzene ring is present, the compound are considered as derivatives of alkane. Phenyl group is represented as C6H5 or PH. If we see the example, then we see 2,2-dimethyl 3-phenylpentane, 1,1,1-triphenylethane, diphenylmethane, 1,2-diphenylethane, 2-methyl 2,4-diphenylpentane, 2,3-diphenylpentane. Simplest alkynyl benzene is given the name styrene. Name of other alkynyl benzene is given as substituted alkenes. For example, styrene or vinylbenzene or phenylethylene, 3-phenyl 1-propene, 2-phenyl 2-butene. Similarly, alkynyl benzenes are also given name as substituted alkynes. For example, phenylacetylene or 2-phenylethyne, 4-phenyl 1-pentyne. Now we come to the disubstituted aromatic hydrocarbons. Two substituents on this disubstituted benzene may be present on 1 and 2nd position, 1 and 3rd position, or 1 and 4 position. They are represented as ortho, meta, and para respectively. If two substituents are present on adjacent carbon atom of benzene ring, then the compound is given the prefix ortho. In Greek, ortho means adjacent. If two substituents are present on alternate carbon atom on benzene ring, then compound is given the name prefix meta. Meta means alternate. And if two substituents are present on 1,4 carbon atom of benzene ring, then the compound is given the prefix para. Para means across. If two same substituents are present on benzene ring, then di is written before in name. Some examples of disubstituted aromatic hydrocarbons are given below. 1,2-dimethylbenzene, 1,3-dimethylbenzene, 1,4-dimethylbenzene, 1-ethyl 2-methylbenzene, 1-ethyl 1-ethinyl 4-ethylbenzene, 1-ethinyl 4-methylbenzene. So here it is double bond and here it is triple bond. So double bond is ethinyl and triple bond is ethinyl. Now we come to the polysubstituted aromatic hydrocarbons. If more than two substituents are present on benzene ring, then they are known as polysubstituted arenes. These substituents are arranged in English alphabetical sequence. The substituents which come first in alphabetical sequence is given as position 1. For example, 1,2,3-trimethylbenzene, 1,2,4-trimethylbenzene, 1,3,5-trimethylbenzene, 1-ethyl 2,4,5-trimethylbenzene, 1,5-diethyl 2,4-dimethylbenzene. Now we come to the aryl group. When one hydrogen atom is removed from hydrocarbon, then aryl group is formed. Phenyl group is formed when one hydrogen is removed from C6H6. 4 types of aryl groups are formed from toluene. If one hydrogen atom of the methyl group is eliminated, then it is benzyl. If the hydrogen, if the free valency is in the benzene ring, then it is known as toluene, and depending on the position of the free valency, it is known as orthotoluene, metatoluene, or paratoluene. So we can say that 4 types of aryl groups are formed, in which the first is benzyl, where the free valency is present outside the ring, and the 3 forms in which the free valency is present in the ring. 5 aryl groups are formed from ethyl benzene. If the terminal CH3 group has a free valency, then it is 2-phenethyl. If the carbon atom which is attached to the benzene ring has a free valency, then it is known as 1-phenethyl. If the free valency is in the benzene ring, then according to the position of the free valency, it is known as 2-ethylphenyl, 3-ethylphenyl or 4-ethylphenyl. If one nuclear hydrogen atom is removed from orthoxylene and two aryl groups are formed, from metaxylene 3 aryl groups, and from paraxylene only 1 aryl group is formed. So we see that when one nuclear hydrogen atom is removed from acetylene, only 1 aryl group is formed. When one nuclear hydrogen atom is removed from cumene, then 3 cuminyl, ortho, meta and para cuminyl groups are formed. If one hydrogen atom is removed from simplest alkenyl benzene, then stearyl group is formed. If one hydrogen atom is removed from simplest alkenyl benzene, then 2-phenyl ethyl group is formed. Then 2-phenyl ethanyl group is formed. Now we come to polynuclear hydrocarbons. 2 or more benzene rings join together to form polynuclear hydrocarbons. If 2 or more benzene rings are joined through single bond, then these compounds are known as biphenyl or terphenyl. For example, biphenyl, terphenyl or para-terphenyl. When 2 or more than 2 benzene rings are fused together with 2 carbon atoms of ortho position, then examples are naphthalene, anthracene, phenanthrene. Now we come to the derivatives of benzene with monofunctional groups. All hydrogen atoms of benzene ring are identical if one hydrogen atom of benzene ring replaced by a functional group. Then only one monofunctional derivative is obtained. Some examples of these compounds are as hydroxybenzene or phenol, benzenamine or aniline, fluorobenzene, methoxybenzene or anisole, ethoxybenzene or phenotol, benzoic acid, benzaldehyde, benzamide, acetophenone, benzene sulfonic acid, benzene diazoxide chloride, benzoic anhydride. If functional group is present on side chain of benzene, then compounds are considered as derivatives of aliphatic compounds. For example, benzyl chloride or phenyl chloromethane, benzyl alcohol or phenyl methanol, phenyl acetic acid of 2-phenyl ethanoic acid, cinnamic acid or 3-phenyl 2-propionic acid, phenyl nitromethane, phenyl ethanol or phenyl ethanol or phenyl acetaldehyde, benzidine chloride or benzyl chloride or phenyl dichloromethane. C6H5CH2 group is called benzyl, C6H5CH group is called benzidine or benzyl, and C6H5C with 3 free valency is called benzo. Derivatives of benzene with bifunctional groups. If 2 hydrogen atoms of benzene are replaced by 2 functional groups, then they form bifunctional derivatives of benzene. 2 functional groups may be on 1,2 ortho or 1,3 meta or 1,4 position. Examples of bifunctional derivatives of benzene are given below: 1,2 dichlorobenzene, 1-chloro 3-nitrobenzene, orthoethyl anisole or 2-ethyl anisole, catechol or 1,2 dihydroxybenzene, resorcinol or 1,3 dihydroxybenzene, quinol or 1,4 dihydroxybenzene, orthocresol or 2-methylphenol, metacresol or 3-methylphenol, paracresol or 2-methylphenol, orthotoluidine or 2-methylaniline, beta-toluidine or 3-methylaniline, paratoluidine or 4-methylaniline, orthophenylene diamine or 1,2 diaminobenzene, metaphenylene diamine or 1,3 diaminobenzene, paraphenylene diamine or 1,4 diaminobenzene. Salicylic acid or 2 hydroxybenzoic acid, 3 hydroxybenzoic acid, 4 hydroxybenzoic acid, phthalic acid or 1,2 benzene dicarboxylic acid, isophthalic acid or 1,3 benzene dicarboxylic acid, terphthalic acid or 1,4 benzene dicarboxylic acid, salicylaldehyde or orthohydroxybenzaldehyde or 2 hydroxybenzaldehyde, meta-hydroxybenzaldehyde or 3-hydroxybenzaldehyde, para-hydroxybenzaldehyde or 4-hydroxybenzaldehyde, orthomethoxyphenol or 2-methoxyphenol, 3-methoxyphenol, 4-methoxyphenol, 3-toluic acid, 4-toluene sulfonic acid, 4-nitrosophenol, 4-aminobenzene sulfonic acid, ethyl 4-ethyl benzoate, methyl orthochlorobenzoate. Now we come to derivatives of benzene with more than 2 functional groups. If more than 2 functional groups are present on benzene, the position is given to the substituent which comes first in priority list. For example, paragalol or 1,2,3-dihydroxybenzene, 1,2,4-trihydroxybenzene, 1,2,3-trihydroxybenzene, methoxybenzoic acid, 3-carboethoxy and 4-methoxybenzoic acid, 3-amino 5-nitrophenol, 3-cyano 4-nitrobenzene. That's all for today. Thank you.